Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best beach tents on the market, the Neso Gigante Portable Beach Tent. If you're looking for the ultimate beach shelter for your next outdoor adventure, stick around because this might just be the perfect fit for you. The Neso Gigante isn't just any beach tent. It's designed with both functionality and style in mind. Let's break down why it's gaining so much popularity. First off, setup is a breeze. It literally takes just 2 minutes to set up this tent. Lay it flat, fill the sandbags with sand or rocks, pull them apart to create an X shape, and insert the poles about 1 to 2 feet from each corner. Voila! You've got yourself a spacious beach shelter. Now, let's talk about protection. The Neso Gigante features a high-quality nylon, lycra blend fabric that not only provides UPF 50+ sun protection but is also water-resistant. Perfect for those long beach days where sun safety is crucial. It's incredibly spacious too, measuring 11 feet by 11 feet with a height of 8 feet. That means plenty of room for family and friends to relax comfortably without feeling cramped. And when it comes to portability, the Neso Gigante shines. Weighing just 10 pounds and packing down into a 19.5-inch carrying bag, it's super easy to transport. Whether you're flying to a beach destination or camping in the mountains, this tent is your perfect companion. Available in various colors, including this vibrant coral, it's not just functional but looks great on the beach too. Plus, the color fastness rating of 4 ensures it stays sharp and colorful even after extended exposure to sunlight. Another standout feature is its sturdy build. Reinforced corners and a robust frame ensure durability, making it a long-term investment for your outdoor adventures. Packing it up is just as simple. Follow the reverse steps, fold it neatly into the bag, and you're ready to go. No hassle, no fuss. Lastly, Neso is known for its commitment to customer satisfaction and environmental responsibility. As a small business, they emphasize quality and eco-friendly practices, which is something we can all get behind. And there you have it, folks, the Neso Gigante Portable Beach Tent. Whether you're planning a beach day with family or a weekend camping trip, this tent delivers on all fronts. If you're interested in checking it out further, I've left a link in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay safe and enjoy the outdoors.